Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the laser turret on the Conga 7490. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Additionally, it's helpful to have a can of compressed air for cleaning. Step 1. Power off and unplug the robot. Safety is paramount. Always disconnect your Conga 7490 from the power source before beginning any repairs. Step 2. Remove the bottom cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screws located at the bottom of the robot. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Gently lift the cover to expose the internal components. Step 3. Locate the laser turret. The laser turret is typically found near the front of the unit. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the internal area using your compressed air. This will help maintain the performance of your robot. Step 4. Disconnect the old laser turret. Carefully unscrew the screws holding the laser turret in place. Use your flathead screwdriver to help pry it loose if necessary. Remember to keep track of the screws. If you're not comfortable doing this, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 5. Install the new laser turret. Take your new laser turret and position it where the old one was removed. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure it is tightened properly, but be cautious not to over-tighten as this can damage the component. Step 6. Reassemble the bottom cover. Place the bottom cover back on the robot, aligning it carefully. Screw in the screws to secure the cover. Make sure everything is tight and there are no loose parts. Step 7. Power on and test. After everything is securely in place, plug your Conga 7490 back in and power it on. Test the laser turret to ensure it operates correctly. If you find any issues, remember we can assist you with pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to deal with any calls or travel. In conclusion, replacing the laser turret on your Conga 7490 is a straightforward process that can enhance the performance of your robot. If you prefer, you can request a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved. Thank you for following along, and enjoy the improved functionality of your Conga 7490. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.